Track anything in real time with the precision performance of the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker from Spytek. This unit is super discreet with a small body size of only 2 inches, so it fits almost anywhere. Plus, it packs a 2-week battery life for less charging hassle. Attach it to a person, vehicle, or object and start tracking immediately from your phone or computer. And pair it with the M2 waterproof case for easy magnetic deployment on cars or out in the elements. With Spytek's GPS tracking platform, you can monitor the activity of your tracker in real time, set up alerts, or even get custom reports summarizing the data. Log in from anywhere to use our advanced geo-tracking technology in a sleek, easy-to-use interface. There are no setup fees or monthly contracts, so just use it as you need it. Get to tracking with the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker, only from Spytek.
Introducing Zeus, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.